In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Face ID not working after the 18 or 19 or even the latest 20 updates. So in order to go ahead and fix that, there are a couple of steps you can take. The first is going to be a forced restart, which is done by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up and the down button and pressing and holding the power button on the right side of your screen, and it will go ahead and force restart. If that doesn't work, try to clean the notch area with a lint-free cloth, as dirt or smudges on the true depth camera prevents proper scanning as well. Also, go ahead into your settings and then into your Face ID and passcode, which is going to be mostly on your privacy, and then reset your Face ID and set it up again. Also, remove any screen protectors or cases that might be covering the camera sensors, and that is about it. If none of those work, then try heading to the Apple Store. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.